Hi guys, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today I'm proud to show you an all-time classic. We have a 2022 Boston Whaler, 19 Montauk. Very low hour boat, powered with a Mercury 150 on the back. About 175 engine hours. This boat just had an engine service, fresh bottom paint, and a full detail. So we did a compound and wax on all the gel coat on the outside and the inside. Trailer is included, and overall this boat is well appointed with equipment. We'll hop on board and I will show you around. Stepping on board, we have a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Off to the port side, we have the teak boarding step with a telescoping ladder. As we step in, you'll notice a very spacious cockpit. This boat does have the 2 bucket seats off to port and starboard side and a JL audio package, stereo package throughout the boat. We have the reversible pilot seat. All the cushions are in nice condition. This boat does have a full boat cover as well. Here at the helm, well appointed with all the options you can ask for. We have the Rain VHF, Fusion audio head unit with the JL speakers, all of your switching, your tachometers. As you can see there, we have 173 hours. And we have the touchscreen Rain GPS with sonar. This boat has the upgraded T-top with the blue canvas. Up in the bow, we have a nice casting platform with a fish box and an anchor locker. We do have the cooler seat as well. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. We're showing you a 2022 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk that has just hit the market. Feel free to call me directly, 561-635-6811. We'd be glad to answer any of your questions. Thank you.